Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech, your go-to place for all the latest in the world of smartphones and foldable tech. Today, we're talking about the early buzz around Samsung's newest foldables, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. And honestly, the reaction so far has been incredible. People are really into the improvements Samsung's made this year. Whether it's the refined design or the upgraded performance, users seem genuinely excited. This strong response is already making many consider upgrading, and there's growing belief that these new models could actually break pre-order records set by the previous Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5. To give you some perspective, in South Korea alone, those earlier models hit a combined 1.02 million pre-orders, a huge milestone for Samsung. But now, it's looking like the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 might top that. Market analysts are saying demand is very strong. In fact, over 160,000 people have already signed up just to get alerts for early access and pre-purchase news. South Korea's major mobile carriers, SK Telecom, KT, and LG U+, are also getting ready to promote these foldables in a big way. These companies play a massive role in smartphone sales in the region. New phone releases often drive new subscribers, so you can expect lots of offers and aggressive marketing. This push from the carriers, combined with public excitement, could easily help Samsung set a new record for foldable sales in South Korea. But Samsung's not stopping there. They've lined up 7 special offers to make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 even more tempting. For starters, there's a $50 discount in the US just for signing up to receive marketing emails from Samsung. Then there's a free storage upgrade worth around $134. You can get the 512GB version for the price of the 256GB one. There's also a $100 discount if you use PayPal at checkout with the promo code PPL. Trading in any tablet? You'll get an extra $267.91 off in addition to your normal trade-in value. Plus, if you apply the code BUDS at checkout, you'll get a free pair of Galaxy Buds. Buy through the Samsung Shop app and use the code APP5 for another 5% off. And finally, there's a generous 100-day return policy, giving you plenty of time to test out the phone and decide if it's the right fit for you. With all these deals and growing excitement, it looks like the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 could be Samsung's most successful foldables yet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Drop Tech, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next one.